Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the galactopoiesis and another important topic from the lactation physiology. So, let's get started. So first of all, what is galactopoiesis? So galactopoiesis is just the maintenance of the lactation as well as the alveolar cell membrane. It also deals with the synthetic activity per cell and the efficiency of the milk ejection reflex. In the simple terms, the galactopoiesis deals with the synthetic activity per cell as how well the milk is ejected and produced from the particular mammary alveolar cell. As we all know that the lactation is the secretion of the milk from the mammary glands and the period of the time that a mother lactates to feed her young ones, and this maintenance of the lactation is also done under the process of the galactopoiesis. Now the maintenance of the lactation is done with the help of different hormones. So now we will discuss about them and their roles. The first hormone involved in the maintenance of the lactation or the galactopoiesis is the thyroid stimulating hormone. This hormone will influences the milk secretion and the duration of the milk synthesis. Its external administration will increase the calcium level in the milk of the dairy breed. In the simple terms, it will help to increase the milk secretion efficiency of the mammary alveolar cell, and the duration of the milk synthesis implies that the how long the milk will be secreted in the dairy breed after the parturition. The next hormone is the adenocorticotropic hormone. ACTH will plays a direct role in the lactation by exerting its effect on the mammary cells number. So simply it will increase the mammary cell number or ultimately the milk yield. The next hormone is the prolactin, which will play a very little role in the maintenance of the lactation or the galactopoiesis, and its external administration will slightly increase the overall milk production of the dairy breed. The next hormone is the growth hormone, an important hormone for the overall galactopoiesis. Simply, the administration of the growth hormone will directly stimulate the milk production of the dairy breed. The mechanism behind the increment of the milk production, as it will involve in the partitioning of the available nutrients away from the body tissue towards the milk production or the synthesis. सिंपली जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स बॉडी सेल्स में एक्यूमुलेटेड हैं तो ग्रोथ हार्मोन के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के कारण दे विल रीलोकेट टुवर्ड्स द मिल्क सिंथेसिस. That was all about the role of different hormones in the maintenance of the lactation or the galactopoiesis. नोट करने वाली बात यहाँ पे ये है कि देर इज़ नो एविडेंस ऑफ द नर्व सप्लाई दैट डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट्स द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द secretory activity of the mammary alveolar cells. In the simple terms, the whole maintenance of the secretory activity by the different alveolar cell is under the control of the different hormones as we discussed, but never under the regulation of nerve supply. The next important point is that the milk secretion is inversely proportional to the lactation stage. So, if there is advancement in the lactation stage, the milk secretion of the particular dairy breed will decrease. The next point states that the feed intake and the overall welfare will affect the milk yield of the dairy breed. as if the animal is under the good welfare and coping favorably with the surrounding condition, the overall production and the growth rate of that particular dairy breed will ultimately increase. That's all for the Galactopoiesis. I hope you like it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.